Hi, I'm Terry with All Utah Transportation. I'm going to walk you through how to create an online booking with our convenient tool. You're going to go to the Book Now page at the top of our navigation and click on that page, and it's going to bring up our reservation tool. The very first step one is to select your service type. You've got to airport, from airport, round trip, point to point, and then hourly as directed. Most people are going to be choosing to or from airport or round trip. Your round trip details are going to be put in a little bit later. So if you're going to do, for this purpose, I'm going to do round trip. Your pickup date is going to be the first date that you are getting picked up. So if you live in the Salt Lake City area and you're going on vacation, it's the day you're going to the airport. If you're coming in for vacation to the Salt Lake City or Park City area, it's the date that you arrive. So I'm going to just choose July 18th, and we're going to say the pickup time is 5:10 p.m. Then your pickup location, since I'm coming into the Salt Lake City airport, it's going to be the Salt Lake City airport. So you're going to want to do SLC as the airport code, and it will automatically populate the Salt Lake City International Airport. Your drop-off location is going to be the location where you will be dropped off in the Salt Lake City, Park City, or surrounding area. If you're in a home or an Airbnb, then you're going to want the exact address, and you're going to have to kind of manipulate the address a little bit. If you're at a hotel, then you can put in the name of the hotel. So for example, I'm going to put in, Marriott Summit Watch, a popular hotel in the Park City area. And you'll notice that it populates that address. So you can just click right on it. Then you're going to choose your number of passengers. I'm going to put 2, and then I'm going to put in 4 bags because my 2 passengers are also going to be bringing skis. So they'll have their regular bags and then also their ski bags. And we'll talk about how you can let us know that information a little bit more detailed later. A couple other things on this screen that you can do if you choose is you can add a stop. A lot of people like to do a grocery store or a liquor store stop if they're coming in for a vacation. So you can add the address here, and it will calculate that for your total. You can also add child seats here. Child seats, any size that you need, and you can add as many as you want. And we're not going to do that at this time, but that is an option. Child seats are free of charge. Then you're going to select the vehicle, and it will take you to our screen that shows what vehicle options we have. We have 1 to 2 passengers, 3 to 4, 5 to 6. These are all luxury SUV, black car service, black leather interior. And then we have our 6 to 10 passenger vans. These are for obviously large groups that fly in to do vacations or are flying out for vacation. They seat up to 11, but if you have a lot of luggage, you might, and you have closer to 9 to 11 people, you might want to consider booking 2 SUVs just for comfort and for being able to fit all the luggage. So we're going to do book now on the 1 to 2 passengers, since I just have 2 passengers, and you'll see that it's given us all the information for step 2. Step 3 is where you're going to put your contact information. You can continue as a guest, or if you want, you can put in, you can create an account. If you're going to book with us regularly, you might want to consider doing that. So I'm going to do continue as a guest. I'm going to put in the owner's information. I'll put in our booking number, which is 801-803-8988 if you do decide you want to call and talk with one of our reservationists. And then I'm going to put in our Gmail address. And I'm going to click continue as a guest. On this page is where you're going to finalize all of your information. Over here on the bottom left, you've got your other comments or special requests. This is where you want to put in if you have any large bags, ski bags, that type of thing, or if you want to make any stops, or if you have just any specific instructions that you'd like us to know. Over on the top right-hand side, you're going to put in your airline information. This is really, really important for your arrivals because we do track your flights, and we want to make sure that our driver is there and ready to pick you up, regardless of whether your flight is delayed, on time, or what have you. So you'll just type in, for example, Delta. It'll automatically populate your airline, and then you're going to put in your flight number. For my purposes, I'm just going to say I don't have my flight details yet. Again, I don't suggest you choose that. You can always call us later if you're booking way in advance and you don't have your flight information. This return service is for round trip bookings. So if you'd like to book a return service, you're going to say yes. What this will do is it's going to open up the same screen you filled out prior, but it's going to reverse all of your routing information for you. So all you really have to do here is do your pickup date, and your pickup time. So I'm going to put in 5:15 a.m. just so I can show you something. And then we still have the same number of passengers, same luggage, everything. So you're going to say select vehicle. Oh, and it wants us to put our airline information in. So we're going to say we don't have that at this time. Select vehicle. And it pops up down here with the 1 to 2 passenger again, but you'll notice that the price is a little bit higher. So if I click on the I here, it shows you what you're paying for. And so because you're getting picked up prior to 7 a.m., there is an early morning fee of $20. So I'm going to go ahead and click book now, and you'll see it comes back to this step 3 final details. And now your return information is right here. And you've got your total price, so your final total. And then the last final task to do is to put in the payment method. Your payment methods are pay driver with cash, pay driver with credit card, prepay and pay the gratuity in person. Some people prefer to do that, and prepay with a 20% driver gratuity added. You can choose any one of those four. All four will ask you to put in your credit card information to hold the reservation. If you prepay, it will be charged to that same card. If you pay the driver, you can always use a different card or pay in cash. So you're going to put the credit card number here, expiration date, all of your credit card and personal information there. We do have a secure server, so your information is safe with us. And then you're just going to click the Book Now button. Once you're done, it will give you a confirmation number and a little message that says that our reservationist will look over your reservation and confirm it within 1 hour. So you should get a confirmation within an hour telling you that your booking has indeed been confirmed, where you can double check all of your information. And again, email us back or call us if you have any questions or any issues. Thanks a lot. I hope this has been a helpful tutorial. Bye-bye.